I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll walk through removing the background from an image in Canva and exporting it as a PNG with a transparent background, so your subject can sit cleanly on any design, website, or video without a visible box behind it. Start by opening Canva in your browser and heading to your design. If you don't already have an image on the canvas, upload one from your computer and drop it onto the page. Click the image to select it so Canva knows which item you want to edit. With the image selected, look to the top left toolbar and click Edit Image. This opens a panel with a variety of tools. Scroll down until you find Background Remover and click it. Canva will analyze the photo and automatically remove the background. Give it a few seconds to process. The time it takes can vary depending on the image size and complexity. Once the background has been removed, take a moment to inspect the edges. Hair, fur, and fine details can be tricky. If you see areas that need cleaning up, use the Erase and Restore tools to fine-tune. Erase lets you remove any leftover background pieces, while Restore brings back parts of the subject that Canva might have cut out. Adjust the brush size for precision, and zoom in to work around delicate edges like fingers or wisps of hair. A steady, slow pass usually yields the cleanest result. When you're happy with the cutout, click Done. This applies your changes to the image on the canvas. You can now resize, reposition, or layer it over your design elements and see how it interacts with the rest of your layout. If anything looks off, you can always return to Edit Image and refine again. To export your image with a transparent background, go to the top right and click Share, then choose Download. Set the file type to PNG. PNG supports transparency, which is essential here. Before you download, make sure to check the transparent background option. This tells Canva to keep the areas you removed invisible, so the subject blends seamlessly wherever you use it. Finally, click Download and save the file to your computer. That's all there is to it. By using Canva's background remover and a quick edge cleanup, you can create clean cutouts and export professional-looking PNGs that are ready for any design or platform.